Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this cute vampire doll. To start, make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For round 2, increase in each stitch around. For round 3, do 1 single crochet and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 4, do 2 single crochets and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For rounds 5 and 6, single crochet all the way around. For round 7, do 2 single crochets and a decrease and repeat that all the way around. For round 8, do 1 single crochet and decrease and repeat that all the way around. For rounds 9 and 10, single crochet all the way around, changing to dark purple yarn at the end of row 10. For rows 11 to 13, single crochet all the way around. For round 14, do 1 single crochet and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 15, single crochet all the way around. For round 16, do 2 single crochets and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 17, single crochet all the way around. For round 18, do 3 single crochets and an increase, and repeat that all the way around. For round 19, single crochet all the way around. For round 20, you work in the front loops only. Do 1 single crochet, then 3 double crochets in the next stitch, then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and repeat that all the way around. Cut your yarn, leaving a long tail, but don't fasten off. We'll be working on the arms now. Use your skin color and make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For rows 2 to 4, single crochet all the way around, changing to dark purple yarn at the end of row 4. For rounds 5 and 6, single crochet all the way around and then finish off. Make the second arm the same way. For the ears, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain, half double crochet in the next chain, double crochet in the next chain, then do 3 double crochets in the last chain, working on the other side of the chain, do 1 double crochet, then half double crochet in the next stitch, then single crochet in the next stitch, then slip stitch in the last stitch and finish off. For the wings, chain 2, do 2 single crochets in the first chain, chain 1 and turn, increase in both stitches, chain 1 and turn, increase in the first stitch, do 2 single crochets and then increase in the last stitch, chain 1 and turn, increase in the first stitch, single crochet 4 and then increase in the last stitch, chain 3 and turn, single crochet in the second chain from the hook, single crochet in the next chain, single crochet across and increase in the last stitch, chain 2, slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, skip the next stitch and single crochet in the stitch after, slip stitch in the next 2 stitches, chain 2, slip stitch in the second chain, single crochet in the next stitch, slip stitch in the next 2 stitches, chain 2, slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, single crochet in the last 4 stitches and finish off. Now we'll work on the bottom part of the doll. Make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For round 2, increase in each stitch around. For round 3, do 1 single crochet and increase, and repeat that all the way around. For round 4, do 2 single crochets and an increase, and repeat that all the way around. For round 5, single crochet 3 and then increase, and repeat that all the way around. Fasten off at the end. Join the bottom and the body together with 30 slip stitches, crocheting through the back loops of the body on the bottom and through the bottom part that we just made. Next, sew all the pieces onto the body and embroider a mouth. Sorry guys, my camera cut out. So all I did here was attach the hair like I did in my mermaid video, and then I brush it out with a steel brush, like a cat brush that I have here. And that's it. You're finished your cute little vampire doll. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.